day, everyone. It's been a while. Finally back home from Portland, visiting our older son, and I need to get catched up. I need to get caught up on doing videos for one. Let me move this around a little bit here. Since I'm in the shadows, let's see. No, that doesn't help much. Anyway, lighting isn't the greatest in here. And I owe a bunch of people videos for, or at least a video, for sending me shop as well as holiday or Christmas cards. So we'll get started here. First one, Big Charlie's Garage. Charlie over there is a great guy. Thank you for sending me your new card. It's a pretty awesome card. Charlie does a little bit of everything, die cast, small scale, large scale, as well as models. So go check him out over there. So for everybody that I'm calling out here, I'll be doing, I'll be listing their page or their YouTube channel in the description below. Charlie also sent me a Christmas card. Very cool card. Thank you very much. I know it's past New Year's, but I wasn't here and I didn't get these cards until I got back. So thank you very much again, Charlie. Really appreciate it. And yeah, so I'm a little out of the video making mode. Got some things going on up here and just working through all of that. So again, please forgive my absence from YouTube. Been kind of stepping back a little bit from social media also. For those of you that don't know, I did give up my Facebook model building group, Larry's Model Shop on Facebook. Gave it to a good friend of mine, Jason Klein, KRD Racing. So go check it out. I forget what the name of it is now. I'll look it up and I'll put it in the description below with Jason's YouTube channel also. Okay, the next one. This is from TheModelingHermit, Doug. And Doug moved, so now I have his new address. Oskaloosa, interesting. But Doug does a lot of, he's got an awesome diorama that he's done. It's a garage diorama. He's also working on, let's see, he was building like a dollhouse type of thing. It's really cool, really neat. He's got a huge collection of he likes some more classic cars. He also builds a little bit out of the realm of the normal, and he's done some pretty cool models. And so he also does rebuilders. So Doug's a pretty cool guy. He's got some neat stuff going on there. So go check him out. Like I said, I apologize. I'm a little out of this YouTube thing, so bear with me. Okay, so the next one is, this is from Tim over at Box Stock Garage. Tim is a really cool guy. He's got a great channel. He's also the co-host of the F1 group build, which was hosted this past year with him and Kyle. And the first, this year will be the second. So once the Formula One season starts, they will be doing this again. And he also sent me a sticker of his. So this is also a sticker, and it's a thank you for participating in the group build. He also sent me this really cool Christmas card. Tim is an awesome builder. Right now he is into a lot of motorcycle builds, and those are very interesting, and one day I will attempt, hopefully, to build a motorcycle. Okay, the next one is from William. This is 1968 Ford Man's Model Shop. If you guys haven't checked his channel out, check his channel out. He built some pretty cool cars. Muscle cars, hot rods, futuristic type cars. And he also sent me this really cool little sticker. Thank you very much, Will. Appreciate it. Okay, this next one is from Kyle D. Hart. Also, he is the co-host of the F1 group build, Formula One group build. This is a Christmas card that he sent to me. He and his wife Raven are cat lovers, and so it's a cat card. It's very cool, Kyle. Thank you very much. Kyle is an awesome guy. Likes his older cars, but also likes the Formula One / IndyCar open wheel type race cars. So go check Kyle out. He's got a great channel over there. Okay, this next one is from good friend this is from Vinny over at Pit Stop Scale Model Garage. Now, if you haven't noticed, or if you're a follower of his, he has changed his channel again. He's gone back to being, well, gone back to his train channel that he had before he started with models. So now he's combined it all together with models as well as his train setups. He's in the process of rebuilding his train setup in his house. It's amazing what these guys with the trains can do. And Vinny has got one heck of a train setup. Okay, this next one is from Dan the Man. 60s Rule channel. And he sent me a sticker. Dan is an awesome person. He has had his channel for many, many years. He's an unbelievable builder and an unbelievable person. So go check him out. If you haven't already, subscribe to his channel. And I'm sure you'll find something there that you will really like. Yeah, I think I already did this one. This is from Marcus. Hotrodz Model Shop. Marcus he likes his race cars. So he's a race car guy. He builds a lot of race cars, but he also builds some hot rods and muscle cars. Thank you very much, Marcus. This is an awesome card. Love the green card. The green truck in front of the red barn there in the snow. Super cool. So go check out Marcus. Good builder. Really good builder. And he's a really good person. Okay, this next one is, and yeah, you're seeing double here. This is from Link Scale Models. Link is over there in Rhode Island, and Link's a really cool guy. He's got a great channel, does some really cool builds. Thank you very much for the card, Link. Hope you're doing well this in 2026, and be looking forward to checking out your channel again. Now, all of these people are super cool, really nice guys. They've all got really good channels. They're all really good builders. So I'll leave a description for each channel. Check them out. I hope everybody is staying warm. There's some nasty, nasty weather moving across the country, so it's going from coast to coast. Here in South Dakota, we're in the midst of a cold snap. A couple of nights ago, we had minus 32, I think it was. Today, the high is minus 5, and it feels like minus 12. So if you're out there and you're cold, stay indoors, get some bench time, enjoy family time, enjoy your time building. I think this weekend is the 24-hour build, 24-hour group build. So if you're involved with that, have fun, enjoy that, and I hope everybody has a good weekend. Take care of yourselves, take care of your families, and please be kind. All right? Thank you. Take it easy. Bye.